Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful recipes that you can combine together to make a leave-in overnight spray to grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier and shinier. But before I continue, if you are new to the channel, my name is Chisom Ene. In this channel, I teach about hair growth and fashion tutorials. Please subscribe to join the family and remember to like the video. Thanks. Yeah, the first recipe we need for this spray is lemongrass. Lemongrass has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to prevent and treat dandruff. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. It helps to combat excessively oily hair and scalp. Okay, so I washed the plant very well to remove any dirt, and I cut it into pieces. After cutting it to pieces, I put it inside the pot and added some water to it, and then I proceed to cook on a stove. Okay, I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. Yeah, so while the lemongrass is cooking, we are going to prepare the second recipe, which is ginger. Okay, ginger helps to increase the blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to stimulate hair growth. It contains vitamins, fatty acids and minerals, which helps to nourish the hair follicle and prevent hair fall. And because it has antiseptic properties, it helps to prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. So ginger is very beneficial to hair growth. I'll use my hand grater to grate the ginger. Next, I'll use my nylon cloth to strain the juice out. You can use any cloth of your choice or anything or any strainer of your choice to strain your juice out when you are preparing yours, okay? Then after straining the juice, I set it aside. By now, our lemongrass is cooked. This is how you know if it is cooked. The color of the leaf will change to something brown, as you can see. Okay, now I'll strain the water out, and then I'll proceed to the next recipe, which is coffee. I will add 1 teaspoon of coffee into the solution while it is hot, and then I will stir it very well to mix. Okay, the caffeine content in coffee helps to increase blood circulation to the hair follicles, which can lead to a faster hair growth and also make the hair stronger and fuller. It helps to stop hair loss, strengthen the hair strands, and because it contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that promote hair regeneration, it makes the hair shaft smoother and void of frizziness. It can naturally get rid of gray hairs. Okay, it promotes softer and shinier hair. Okay. Next, I will add 2 tablespoons of ginger juice into the mixture and stir very well to combine. So guys, our powerful and highly potent leave-in spray is ready for use. I will allow it to cool down a bit and then transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application, guys. Then I'll add few drops of my tea tree essential oil. You can make use of any essential oil of your choice, okay? Yeah, spray this powerful solution to saturate your hair, especially on a protective hairstyle, every night or at least 3 times a week. Alright? Before 1 month, you will be shocked at the results you will see. Please make sure to be consistent with it, because consistency pays, right? So I'll go ahead and show you how I spray it on my hair. As you can see, I'm wearing a protective hairstyle. Okay, I will spray it on my hair and on my scalp as well. So I'll make sure to saturate my hair with this very important and potent hair growth mixture. You may want to try it out on your hair. It will help you to grow your hair stronger, thicker, and healthier. The mixture is very effective and nice. Okay, please guys, if you really want to grow your hair long, please make sure to try this on your hair. Okay, and you need to know that it is faster to grow your hair on a protective hairstyle. Please give it a try at least once in a while. Put your hair on a protective hairstyle and then grow your hair very fast. Okay, so I'll go ahead and apply my butter, my hair growth butter, to seal the moisture. If you have not watched my video on how to prepare the butter, please check it out. The butter is very nice and good for hair growth. Okay, if you don't have any butter to use, you can use any hair growth oil of your choice to seal the moisture. It is very important you apply oil on your hair to seal the moisture, so that your hair will remain moisturized. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share the video. Okay, till next time guys, for now it is bye bye.